Our favorite holding period is forever. I always knew I was going to be rich. I don't think I ever doubted it for a minute. If a business does well, the stock eventually follows. Wide diversification is only required and investors do not understand what they are doing. Only buy something that you'd be perfectly happy to hold if the market shut down for 10 years. We simply attempt to be fearful when others are greedy and to be greedy only when others are fearful. Why not invest your assets in the companies you really like? As Mae West said, too much of a good thing can be wonderful. Your premium brand had better be delivering something special, or it's not going to get the business. Chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. I buy expensive suits. They just look cheap on me. I don't look to jump over 7-foot bars, I look around for 1-foot bars that I can step over. I never attempt to make money on the stock market. I buy on the assumption that they could close the market the next day and not reopen it for 5 years. In the business world, the rearview mirror is always clearer than the windshield. It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. If you think about that, you will do things differently. It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. Only when the tide goes out do you discover who's been swimming naked. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. Business schools reward difficult complex behavior more than simple behavior, but simple behavior is more effective. The investor of today does not profit from yesterday's growth. You do things when the opportunities come along. I've had periods in my life when I've had a bundle of ideas come along, and I've had long dry spells. If I get an idea next week, I'll do something. If not, I won't do a damn thing. You only have to do a very few things right in your life so long as you don't do too many things wrong.